Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 21st July 2025, Nifty index opened flattish but nosedived right through and succumbed to intense selling pressure that pushed the index below psychological 25k marks to touch low of 25,918. The second half of the day attempted minor recovery from its 50-daily exponential moving average but closed below 25,000 with losses of around 140 points. Signs of profit-taking has been building over the last few sessions, and the index now requires a decisive reclaim of 25,000 to negate the immediate bearish outlook and trigger any meaningful recovery. It formed a bearish candle on the daily as well as on the weekly frame. India VIX was up by 1.5% to 11.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.78. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,500 to 25,500, while a major range is in between 24,700 to 25,200 marks. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,895 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 1,663 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 15%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 25k, weakness could be seen towards 24,800 and 24,650 levels, while hurdles are placed at 24,250. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 56,500, weakness could be seen towards 56,000. while hurdle can be seen at 56,750. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Balkrishna Industry, NMDC, Bajaj Finance, Indian Hotel, Tata Steel, SAIL and IIFL. While some weakness could be seen in HAL, Aarti Industries, Birlasoft, Petronet and Hudco. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.